In this video, I'm going to show you how to power your Tenda router using power bank. Start by checking the power requirements for your router, which are typically listed on a label located on the back or bottom of the device. Next, ensure that your power bank matches the correct voltage and amperage requirements. You'll need a DC to USB adapter cable that is compatible with your setup. Insert the DC end into the power port on your router. Plug the USB end into the power bank. Turn on the power bank, and you'll notice the indicator lights on your router illuminate, showing that it's powered up. If the router isn't functioning properly, it could be due to insufficient power from the power bank. In this situation, you'll want to disable the 5G network. For detailed instructions on how to do that, be sure to check out my other video linked in the description. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.